Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to link bank account to Cashapp. So for that you need to open Cashapp on your mobile phone, and after that just click on the profile icon on the top right corner of your mobile screen and just scroll down a bit and click on linked banks, and after that just click on link debit card, and onto that just click on no card. It will redirect you to this page where you have to link your bank account. Just press on continue, and after that you will see there's a long list of so many bank accounts that you can choose from. If you don't find yours here, just click on the search bar and search your bank account like that, and after that just click on your appropriate bank account and link your bank account to Cashapp. That's how easy it is to link your bank account to Cashapp. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to like it, and I'll see you the next time.